Thanks for jumping back once again into another video of the series Technical Analysis. I appreciate your concern about the videos. Thank you so much for your positive comments and your good response. So let's not waste the time and let's just get started. So you see that I just did this tweet just a few minutes ago about my previous video that has hit its almost all of the targets. However, it's just touching the third target. You can see that I gave this analysis in my previous video when there was no breakout, and I told you guys that this shit is gonna break towards the upside if it breaks out of this place. You can listen to this first.
So there has been some selling, so you expect they will not let it go past that place. So that will be the ultimate target. However, you talk about the range targets, this could be your range high target because it comes with two resistance.
So I have given these three targets, target 1, 2 and the third target. Now here are the current results for my targets. So this is the current state, and I'm expecting my third target to also get hit very soon. Almost, that's almost. So how much profit? Let's calculate that. It's almost sitting at 8% profit just in 3 days. If you did watch my video, you must be in profits. Make sure you book your profits on the way. Okay, so let's analyze it further and see what's next coming for Bitcoin. So previously I told you about that Bitcoin has been consolidating in a range. It was range bound. This green square you see, it has been in this range from 13th May till the 30th May. So it took almost 15 to 18 days to break out of this place. You saw this line was acting as a, let's say, as a resistance. You can see 3 tip points, 1, 2, 3. That means this resistance was a confirmed resistance. I told you when this thing breaks out, we should almost expect 8 to 12% of rise. However, now the thing that concerns now, let me just delete this range because it's over. There's no use to that. Now we see our resistance at this place. This one. Let me just do it for you. Now this is the next immediate resistance for us where Bitcoin is currently holding itself. You can also see, let me just clean it up. So you can also see some liquidity grabbing here. That means there was definitely a resistance area. So the point of me giving you the targets at the range highs is exactly because wherever my target, you would see this target line, you will see consolidation, because I give the targets on the basis of these ranges. The last range high, there's always some liquidity at my targets. So you see also for the second target as well, this thing is also using at my target line as a support. That's funny. That's not a support, that's just a target. This is just, I'm saying. So you see this liquidity grab here. That means there was sell orders at this place, at this red line, which has a confluence of being a resistance from this point. So it has acted as a resistance. So that means Bitcoin now needs to cross this level so it can go for these areas. Once Bitcoin is clearing above this area, it's another, I would say, another easy peasy. Something wrong with this. I think I should fix my trading view sometime. Okay, it's another easy peasy, let's say 7% move to the upside if Bitcoin clears this area. It has higher chances of clearing this area due to the reason this also it is creating a flag, a bullish flag. And let's take a look at the 21 moving average. You see it has taken a support on the 21st moving average, and let me use this indicator to find the overall trend. So this indicator, sometimes this indicator comes in handy as well when you are using the ranges. If you are using this indicator, it has flagged a green signal from this point. So that is 28th May, which is almost like 12-13% gain till now. However, I don't use this indicator to open any kind of trades. I just use the indicator to some kind of confluence, some kind of added confluence to help me out in figuring out the overall trends. Even I can see trends without this thing. I can clearly see them, but sometimes you just need some visuals. Okay, so let me just go for the 4 hours. So talking about this target 1, this was given on a higher time frame, on daily time frame. So do not confuse yourself by thinking that target 1 has not hit. These are the big targets. You see, these are the big targets for like swing trades, for the bigger trades. If you want a big trade, for a swing trade, you want to hold up a trade for a complete month, only then this thing comes in handy. So on the daily time frame, we see this picture, this green candle. Let me just check the volume. So okay, so we have some volume coming up into the market. However, this volume is not too much, and not so much to be to be feeling bullish. You still need to wait for these areas, especially this one is also some liquidity area. You can see that's such a grab of liquidity here. So however, these are the areas, the target 2. We need to look at that carefully. We want to see that something, we want to see a break of structure. Well, I want these candles to come above this target 2 and make something like this and then this. So that would be a break of structure, and we will see an inverse head and shoulders, shoulder, a head and another shoulder right at this place. So that's just hypothetical, but that's gonna happen if you want Bitcoin above 50. You want that thing to happen. You want exactly this pattern in you have a whole month to go. It's not happening in next few days. It will take 1 month or 2 months, but eventually if you want to break above this level, that would be a great confluence to use this. And if you grow above this, somehow, let's say this structure is formed somehow, and this structure breaks out, that will completely take you to $61,000 level. So let's see if it happens or not. But I am saying what I'm saying. Let's hope for the best. So I think that will be it for Bitcoin in this video. If there is any other coin you want me to analyze for you, you can leave it in your comments. You can ask questions. So thank you so much for watching the video till the very end. Make sure you subscribe the channel and give a thumbs up. See you in the next video.